Tired of your Discord server looking empty with no live stats? Learn how to add server stats in under 2 minutes. First, we'll find and install Statbot from the app directory. Then I'll show you how to set up a counter command. Open Discord. Then navigate to your server by selecting it from the server list on the left. Now, click on your server name at the top left to open the drop-down menu. Select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in Server Settings, click on App Directory. In the App Directory, use the search bar to look for a server Statbot like Statbot. Click on Statbot when it appears in the search results. Then, click the Add App button to begin the installation. A window will pop up asking you to choose a server. Select your server from the list. Click Continue to proceed. Finally, click Authorize to grant the bot the necessary permissions. Once authorized, return to your server by clicking on its name in the server list. Now, click on any text channel to open the chat area. In the chat box, type /counter to see the available options. Then, click on the counter command from the suggestions to set up your server stats. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.